You know how to hold Daddy's phone now?
Yeah.
Hold it like that. It's already recording. Don't touch anything, okay?
Okay.
You just gotta follow me.
Okay. I'm getting you, Daddy! You almost ran me over!